Welcome to the video on the AI Agent Arbitrage strategy for 2026. We will explore how to scale passive, service-based businesses using AI systems, focusing on passive income and unlimited scalability. The core concept of AI Agent Arbitrage is simple. You sell high-value services to clients at premium prices. Meanwhile, AI agents do the work at a near-zero cost. For example, a client pays $2,000 a month. The AI cost is $50, leaving a $1,950 margin. 2026 is the arbitrage window because 95% of small and mid-sized businesses haven't deployed AI agents. AI offers 40 times faster execution at an average cost of only 2 cents per task. Early movers will capture the margins before this window closes. There is high demand, low AI cost, and huge margins across several niches. These include content and copywriting, social media management, customer support, SEO and research services, and email marketing automation, all offering 97% to 99% margins. The three-step arbitrage system is simple, repeatable, and scalable. First, acquire the client by selling a premium service package. Second, deploy AI agents using tools like Claude and GPT-4 to automate 90 to 99% of fulfillment. Third, scale by stacking clients with near-zero marginal cost. Your AI agent tech stack consists of 4 layers. The client interface uses Notion and Slack. Orchestration involves Make.com, N8N, and Zapier. The AI brain uses models like Claude and GPT-4o. Output delivery is through Google Docs and CRMs. The total monthly cost is minimal, allowing you to serve many clients. Here is a realistic 12-month projection. By month 3, you can reach $6,000 a month with 3 clients. By month 6, you could hit $13,000 a month with 6 to 7 clients. By month 12, a projection of $30,000 a month is possible with 12 to 15 clients. Your first 30 days action plan involves 4 weeks. Week 1 focuses on picking your niche and setting pricing. Week 2 is building your AI stack and testing workflows. Week 3 is acquiring clients through outreach and trials. Week 4 is delivering for your first client and systemizing the process for repeatability. The AI arbitrage window is open. You can pick a niche, build the stack, land clients, print margins, and scale infinitely. The businesses that act in 2026 will dominate in 2027. AI agents do the work, and you collect the margin. Start your AI agency today.